Hi guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to password protect your Excel document. For example, here I have opened an Excel document and it is not password protected. For example, if I close the document and then reopen it, it opens without asking for password, but I want to password protect it so that nobody could access it. And that I can do by first coming to File tab, and on File tab come down to Info, click on it, and here in the first option, Protect Workbook, I click the drop down menu here, and I come down here to Encrypt with Password. If I click on it, this dialog box opens, and here I want to enter my password. Let me add a password of first 6 digits. This is a simple password from 1 to 6. I click OK, and it asks me to re-enter the same password back for confirmation, and then I click once again OK. Now the password is required to open this workbook. It is password protected. If I go back, I just press save, and then I close the document, and now if I reopen the document, it will ask for the password. You see it asks for the password, and if I enter the password, I hit enter, it opens the document. So this way you can protect your password. Now if you want to remove the password, you can do that very easily by coming back to the same info on the file tab, click on it, come back to the same encrypt with password, click on this option, and you just need to remove the password from here. I remove it, and I click OK. I go back to my document, I press Ctrl S to save the document, then I close it, and now if I reopen it once again, it directly opens up without asking for the password because I already removed the password. So this way you can password protect your document and can remove the password from your document. And don't forget to give me a like on the video, and thanks for watching Safi Mixed.